Hello, welcome to my channel. A very happy Diwali to one and all who's viewing us, and the best wishes come from my family to yours. I hope all of you all already had your 3-kind oil bath and used your beautiful clothes, and looking forward the positive activities that you're going to do for the day. It's the festival of light. Maybe we get most brightnesses in our life. For this past year, I also had a good year being with my viewers and being encouraged to move on forward in what I love doing. And many thanks go to the million views that I caught. And I also have my niece Hazel with.
Hi everyone, thanks for having me again. Happy Diwali from me and my family. All the best wishes, and yes, continue having a good Diwali festival. I'd also like to say thank you for all my views that I've received. Banana Puri especially, we've just hit the over 50,000 mark. So yes, it's very encouraging. Thank you very much. And I hope everyone enjoyed the recipes that I shared, because as much as I shared them, it was good having good feedback, and the experience was also very encouraging. Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to show off our platter that we made for Diwali. I actually made the savory platter. The things that I have on my platter are, I have some sweet corn samosa, potato samosa, some lovely vada and bhajia, and I also have my pata roll, and with a nice big bowl of dip to go with. And I also made a little bit of snowball. I'm sharing it with you all that my daughter shared the recipe. All these recipes for the savory is also in the videos. Pranesh will link you all to it.
So my tray consists of all the sweetmeats that we made over the past 3 months. In the center, I've got my banana puris. I've colored them in different colors just to show you a variety. I've made some naan katai, the coconut ice. These are the chana magaj. I've coated them with white chocolate and covered them with some coconut dust. These are my barfis. This is the soji ball, and I've made some biscuits and more almond biscuits and just a little bit more of chocolate biscuits.
Thank you, Hazel, very much. It all looks so delicious. We are going to have a feast. And I'm so sorry to say the viewers that we couldn't share these by email, but the recipes are shared, and you can try it out, and maybe you will end up having the very same items that we have. And nevertheless, don't feel shy to show off your platters with us and the way you all celebrate Diwali. And may we all have a good one and a good year ahead. And to my niece Hazel, thank you very much standing together with me and letting me move from strength to strength.
Thank you, Mosi.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Thanks. Bye.